Hey you guys, so as you all can already tell by the title of this video, today I'm going to be recreating one of Bob Ross's videos, one of his paintings. My mom, she paints, so she already has a bunch of supplies, so I figured I'd grab some. It's quarantine, y'all. I'm hella bored, so we're gonna see how well I can recreate it, and let's get started. So this is my setup. I'm using a 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I pre-mixed some of these paints. Let's see. So I pre-mixed some of these colors. Hopefully these will do. Cause I really hate my hands are already messy. I haven't even started. So let's get this rolling. I think we talk more from you intoxicated, inebriated, and baby I hate that, 'cause I think that this the only way you gonna open up to me. Don't talk too much to me, 'cause this is how this goes. I know it. Take one drink to head and everything just feels right. And if it ain't right, it's alright tonight. I got some leisure, is you done? You know, in the morning, nobody's calling you. You just sit and talk, leave the room. I can always do. I never needed you. I just want you. Wanted you to love me, but trust me. But nothing about me, just put your heart in my hands, yeah. Let me make all the plans, make all the plans. Let me make all the plans tonight. So bizarre, so yeah. Guess it's me that you want, me that you want. Guess it's me that you want tonight. Let me just figure. Open tonight. I know tomorrow we won't. Oh, you remember last time September. Said you want to lose us. Funny right now, won't play. Hey y'all, so I'm finally finished with this painting. It took like just about half the day. I've been doing it on and off, quarantine snacking in between, of course, but please don't clown me in the comments. I know it doesn't really look like Bob Ross's. Like, I wish I could paint as well as him. Like, he's a goat for doing that, because I really tried and put effort into this and it didn't come out anywhere close to how his looked. But honestly, I'm not too mad with it. I really like the sky we got going over here. But like, I know down like this half, I know it doesn't look like his. So please don't clown me in the comments. Make sure to like this video. I spent a long time doing it. So please make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and make sure to subscribe. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.